Hello beauties and welcome back to the Jolie Beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Jolie Cash and I'm the CEO of cruelty-free beauty brand Jolie Beauty. And can we believe it is spooky season again? When isn't it spooky season really? And you know what that means? It's time for another Jolie Beauty spooky season launch. I am so delighted to be sitting in front of you with yet another launch this Halloween. And as you have probably guessed from the title, this year the theme is zombies. So not only did we bring out a palette this year, we have in fact got a whole collection for you, which is so exciting. So just before I delve into this collection and show you all the magic that we've created, I just want to let you know that straight after this premiere, I'm going to go live on TikTok. I'll put the link on the screen and in the description bar down below. And there I'm going to be refunding somebody's order. This is just my way of giving back to you guys and thanking you guys for supporting me so much over the last 3 Halloween collections. Oh Loki, why do you come in at the best time? You come in at the best time. Do you want to say hello? It's been a while since you said hello. Hello. You want to say hello today? Loki, did you help with the Zombified collection? He's like, it's not the Doggified collection. No. Puppyfied collection. Actually though, Loki, I do have a little video of you getting involved in the Zombified collection. Loki, come here. Loki, have you been in the bathroom? Have you been in the bathroom? In this collection, we of course have the Zombified palette. We have 2 new Air Matte Liquid Lipstick shades. We have a new Neon and UV water activated eyeliner palette with 16 different colours in it. And to go alongside that, we have 3 brushes so you can primp and perfect your lines this Halloween. Let's dive into the palette first. I know you're waiting for it. So as you would have seen from the beginning of this video, this is zombies with a twist. We have gone neon and we have gone bright. And we've gone for that Halloween club scene. When I think about Halloween, I think about glow in the dark, I think about UV, and I think spooky. And I really wanted to emulate this with this collection. The inspiration behind this was more like industrial music, like big clubs, big industrial nights. Places I used to go a lot when I was a teenager, and I wanted to bring that out in this collection. So let's read a little bit about the Zombified palette. The infection is spreading and the undead are roaming the city streets. A strange toxic material dripping and infiltrating the night. Will you escape the flesh eaters of the dance floor, or are you about to become a victim of the Zombified? So without further ado, let's open her up. As you can see, when we said bright and neon, we meant bright and neon. I wanted in your face, kick-ass, neon, UV, glowing colour story with a hint of shimmer and a hint of glitter, just Jolie Beauty style. And I feel like we really achieved it in this colour story. As you can see above the mirror, we've got you look drop dead gorgeous. Do you get it? And as usual, we've got that full size mirror that you guys love in these palettes. And just this gorgeous vomit of neon and glowing shades. And the surprise about the palette is when the lights do this and the UV does this, you'll see those colours come to life unlike those zombies. As you can see, there are some really popping neon shades in this palette, but just you wait. The other shades aren't boring either. Let's get on to some swatching. So as you guys know by now, I like to pick and swatch one shadow out of every row. Let's begin with the first row, and the shade I definitely want to swatch is this shade here, Resurrected. So Resurrected is this gorgeous neon yellow. Absolutely stunning. I will say when you're using pressed neon pigments, it's always best to use a wet base underneath. That's because we can't formulate many emollient ingredients. Emollient ingredients? Emollient ingredients. No, I can't. one of those days. Into the shadows without affecting their neon-ness. You know what I mean. Oh, why does it have to be today that I'm doing the launch video? It's just always the same. Basically, we can't fill it with loads of extra ingredients or it will lose its glow. So the best way to make sure they really stick onto your eyes is to use a wet and tacky base underneath. Just showing that one under the UV light so you can just see how much that pops. Whew. Oh yeah. Also on this row, we have Sacrifice, Bite Mark, Crawlers and Resurrected. So as you can see in row 1, you've got 3 UV reactive shades. On the second row, I'm going to pick the shade Flesh. This is a gorgeous duochrome pressed glitter. It looks pink to purple and it also glows. This has got such a gorgeous shift, which you can only really pick up when the light hits it. And let's have a little look under the UV light as well. As you can see, that's got a really pretty purple glow and it just looks gorgeous under this light. Also on this row, we have Walkers, The Cursed and Crazed. On this row, you can see another 2 popping UV shades and that glistening glitter in the UV light. On row 3, we've got some of these gorgeous, gorgeous shimmers. I am so proud of this formula. This is a formula that we have never done before at Jolie Beauty. They are some of the most high quality, beautiful metallic shimmers we have ever developed and I'm so excited to show them to you. Maybe I'll swatch 2 of them, maybe. Yes, let's swatch 2. So the first shade I'm going to swatch is the shade Infected, which is this beautiful foiled burnt orange. And you can just see how gorgeously foiled that is. So shiny and beautiful. Such a gorgeous metallic going through it as well. And then just underneath that is the shade Antidote, which is this beautiful golden olive green. I couldn't really do a zombie palette without these 2 kind of colours in it because they just scream a zombie to me. Also on this row is Survival and Escape. And they also glow under the black light. I think this might just be my favourite row on the palette. Just look at those gorgeous shimmers in the light. And then when you put that UV black light on, wow, do they pop. And together, I just love the Halloween colours. Oh, decisions. What should we do? Pressed glitter or a matte? Let's do a pressed glitter. I'm going to swatch this beautiful orange pressed glitter here and that's called Plague. This is such a beautiful bold pressed glitter. I'm just going to pop it here. And again, this one does glow under the black light. Let's see how that looks. Oh yes, she's a glowing. So pretty and such a good shade for Halloween. These 2 together, amazing. Just a reminder guys, if you've got ahead and put your pre-order through already, thank you so much. But also join me straight after this premiere where I will be on TikTok refunding somebody's pre-order today. So come join me over there, the link will be in the bio. Also on this row, we have Zombified, Biohazard and Virus. I hope I don't get demonetized for saying that. Not the best year to release a zombie palette. I just love that pink shade and it matches perfectly with our new lipstick shade Pin Up. I'm on to row 5 and I'm going to pick Herd, which is this gorgeous green. And I'm just going to put this one here. This is such a beautiful luminous green. It just makes me so happy. As you can see, I've got it underneath my eyes today. That's also glowing under the black light. Also on this row, we have Turned, Uprising and Swarm. And as we travel further down the palette, we get more of those glistening shimmers. And of course, my fave green. On row number 6, I'm going to swatch the shade here, the shade Apocalypse. Just because I love the green and the purple together. It has my heart. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous bright purple. Oh, these 2 colours together is so pretty and it just reminds me so much of Halloween. Also on this row we have Deceased, Cannibal and Fever. I always love to include a few purples in my palettes. It's my favourite colour, as you can probably tell. That pink is really popping and that blue giving a little bit of glow. And on the final row, I've got to do a shimmer again. I'm going to swatch this shade here, Brains. Ran out of room on my arms, I'm just going to pop it here, right at the beginning. And I'm just going to pop this shade right there. Oh, gorgeous. Those shimmers are something else. Also on this row, we have Frenzy, Outbreak and Kill Count. And as you can see, that shimmer there, Brains, is also reactive and glowing. So I'm going to overlay a swatch of all the UV shades together. And then I'm also going to overlay a swatch of all the shimmers together too, so you can see. And that pretty much completes the Zombified palette. I hope you absolutely adore this palette as much as I do. This is such a staple in my collection now. And if you just want to add a pop of brightness into any of your looks, I just feel like this is going to be the palette to use. Of course, it's vegan and cruelty-free. So with the collection as well, we've got 2 new liquid matte lipstick shades. I am wearing the shade Ultraviolet, and then we have this gorgeous bright pink called Pin Up. We have the 16 shade eyeliner palette. Just can't wait to see what you guys do with this one. And then the eyeliner brushes as well. It's just so you can get really creative. These are really detailed brushes, so they're really going to help you do these UV liners and patterns. It's absolutely perfect for Halloween. We're going to have some bundle offers on the site, so you can buy the entire collection together. So there's going to be a smaller bundle called the Deadly Bundle. This will have the palette, our 2 new lipstick shades, and a 2 glow-in-the-dark UV face gem sets. And then we have the Extra Deadly Bundle. This has the palette, the 16 shade Neon UV water activated eyeliner palette, the new eyeliner brushes, the 2 new lipstick shades, and also the 2 UV neon glow in the dark face gem sets. So that's it, everyone. The site is now live with the Zombified collection. I hope you absolutely love it as much as I do. And don't forget, if you purchase right now, right after this video premieres, 29th of September, 7 p.m, I am going to be on my TikTok live, ready and waiting for you guys with these products, and I'm going to refund somebody's pre-order. I can't wait, so go and join me over there straight after this video. Thank you again for always supporting Jolie Beauty. It does not go unnoticed how much support and love I get from you guys every single time I release something, and I just know this collection is going to be met with so much love and support, and I just can't wait to see all your glowing UV looks. I know they're going to kick ass, and I'm going to bring you loads of tutorials as well on TikTok Live and also on YouTube Shorts. So keep an eye on that, guys, and without further ado, I hope you enjoy the collection, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!